Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Yo, boys, what's up? So I've gotten zero time to film today, but I had a funny idea. If you guys watched the last video, I'm getting married this Saturday. Therefore, I got zero time to film right now, bro. Like, I have 9 hours of things to do today. I gotta drive all across the city, picking things up. However, I thought today I was feeling like dressing like a little bit of a douche. You know what I mean? So I came into my room, I found my grills. I'm like, I may as well just put these on, right? Hold on. Oh, these ones. Right here. I'm like, yeah, I'll put them on. They'll look like an asshole for a little bit. Let's go. And then I found these ones. They go right there. I don't like them too much. So I was like, the first thought of mine was like, give them away, Brand, but you can't give away grills that are fitted to your teeth. And then I had a better option. We shall swallow them on camera. Why not? I haven't tested if this is good for the body yet. I mean, boys, this is just a bonus video. We're just gonna do it. So this is sterling silver on, I think, SI diamonds, which any real jeweler would never put real diamonds on silver, but they did. And we shall test, and then I shall swallow them. Because I think it's funny as fuck. And then I shall leave and do what I need to do for the day. Alright, you ready? Hit metal at the end there. Hold on. Okay, so I spent a good grand on these at least. They actually gave me a discount, so they're probably worth more. Got them out, boys. We're swallowing the grills. I don't know if it's good for the body, but I think it's funny. Oh, dude, it's scary now. Grills. Somebody commented yesterday, like, oh man, like, you used to do real videos, now everything's destroyed. Like, you're destroying everything. Everything you buy, you destroy. Look my old YouTube videos, bro. This is where we came from. Okay, let's go. RIP. I have nothing to chase it down with. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared for my esophagus. This could be dangerous. Right before my wedding show. Yeah, I feel it going down. Feels a little stuck there. All right, have a good day, boys. Appreciate you. Aftermath, boys, before I edit this and I have to go. My gut's not feeling so good, so don't do that at home. It's actually, I feel weird right now, bro, but it's still worth the goof. Don't do it at home, though. Love you guys.